Hi guys, what I thought might be useful is talking through the costs of starting an allotment or starting your gardening journey, because it's one a lot of us are starting beginners out there. The first cost is the allotment fee. I think I paid 30, it might have been a bit more, but I may have only paid for part of the year because we only got our allotment at the end of last year, so it might not be a full cost. The next cost is compost. I think I spent about £100 so far on that. However, you can make your own, and so that can be not important. Well, it's important to me, but anyway. Then we've got some wood for the beds. That was £30. Nails and stuff might have been about £10, if that. Tools, watering can, all that sort of stuff, I'd say I spent about £100. Them cold frames actually cost me, I think, £30 each, so that's about £60. The polytunnel cost me £50 because we bought it second hand, or it hadn't been used but off marketplace. All the pots and all that sort of stuff about £50. I'd say I'd probably spend about £50 on seeds again, but you can create your own. Then there was my wood chip. I know a lot of people can get it free, but I paid £70 for that because sometimes the council's waiting list, but I wanted to get some down because I was fed up of being in mud. And also my trees, we've got some fruit trees, they cost us about £40. However, they could be moved to anywhere. So all in all, I think we spent about £500 so far getting this all set up to where we are. I hope to recuperate a lot of that this year with what we'll be saving, what we'll be growing. However, it's all a learning curve. It's all about reusing. We're trying to do as zero waste as possible. Now it's all set up, so reusing everything we can that's around the plot, growing, not having to go to supermarkets, saving on all those nails like that we've done in the past. Yeah, we love, our pets love, we can share with maybe our neighbours.